Alright guys, check this out. Today I'm doing a review of this real Mare Mexican style tuna salad, and this was on sale. Check that out. Here's the NutriPound. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And we're going to do a quick taste test. There it is, ingredients right there. I've tried their other brands or the other flavors, and they're actually quite good compared to like Cloverleaf makes one similar, but this is, I don't know what they do to their tuna, but it tastes really good. So alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so there it is, taste test time. There we go. Yeah, it's really good. Like it's very flavorful. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please below, subscribe to the channel. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I did the rice one review. Rice was a little bit hard. This one's really good. So, yeah, really good tropical flavor. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please below, subscribe to the channel.